Whoa. Oh, that's moving. Hey guys, just sitting here with my little buddy Hooper, editing up these videos, and was just going through all the footage from that last trip I did with that shark, and decided to make that shark itself, the fight, its own video. And I decided, because it was so exciting to me at least, to get it to be an entire video, just straight through the fight. Decently long video, but it's going to be pretty fun to watch, I think. And that's really it. I just figured I'd give you guys a little bit of an intro on that, and we will let that roll. Whoa. Oh, that's moving. Oh, wait a second. No. Oh, that's a fish. Hey, Gary. Yeah. I think I got a ray. I don't know, dude. Look at this. Uh-oh. No, I guess we're coming off a spot lock. This is not the right gear for whatever the hell this is. It's either a shark or... I don't know, man.
Big?
Huge.
Well, I want to see it.
I do too. It's coming up slow. It's got to be like a giant one of those rays, stingrays.
Stingray?
Yeah.
I never even knew we had stingrays here.
I think they're rough tails, aren't they?
I don't know.
Put it this way, I set the hook, dude, and I'm like, I either got bottom and the spot lock's moving me.
I hope you can get it up to the surface.
Yeah, I do too. But then I felt a couple of pulses and I'm like, uh-oh. Look at the head shakes, dude. Holy. I don't know, this might be a big shark. Dude, we're in New England. This isn't supposed to be here. Oh, of course. Uh-oh. And I won't be able to try and change my GoPro battery. Nah, you're good right now. I got a good angle on it.
I'm not dropping a line.
I appreciate it, dude. Thank you. I'm gonna end up in Bourne by the time we catch this fucking thing.
I really want to see this thing.
I think it's a skate. Not a skate. I think it's a big stingray.
Man, I never even knew that they were here.
If I get to see it, dude, that's really all I want to do is get a good look at it. If it breaks me off, it breaks me off, dude. I don't really care.
Hopefully it's hooked in the mouth.
I think it is. Oh. I got it off the bottom. No, you're good, dude. Don't worry about it. Like, I got a lot of heat on it, you know. It's gotta be a stingray. I just can't tell if I'm bringing my kayak to it or if I'm getting it off the bottom, you know? I just hope it's like a baby one. I don't know, this could be a shark, dude. Because those are head shakes, I think, not like ray flaps.
We know there's a good one around.
Yeah. Well, I've never caught a brown shark, that'd be cool. Or there's also sand tigers. And I guess they're like more docile, slow, you know? Nah. No, that's a head shake. Oh yeah. Oh, I only got like 25-pound leader on this thing too. Yep. It's coming up, Gary. Leader. Oh, that's not leader, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. It's a shark, dude. Yeah? Yep. Come on over, Gary. Gary, come on over. How did I do this? It's a brown shark, dude. Wow. Hooked it in the mouth. Come around. Sandbar. Dude, I hooked it in the mouth.
That's awesome.
This thing's like 6 foot long.
Gotta get a picture.
I don't want to touch it till you get a picture. I'll lower my drag down too. Dude, how sick is that?
That is very sick, man.
How did, look at this.
Perfect.
Oh.
I'm getting a little close, but
That's all right, buddy. I got the drag loose, so.
you wore them out.
Yeah, I wore me out. Let's see. Oh, there he goes.
I guess you didn't wear them out. I probably spooked them.
Oh, it's all right.
I got some pictures though.
Dude, how sick is that?
Awesome, man.
Oh, dude, I can go.
Sweet.
Oh man, I touched the leader, so it's a caught fish. I can't believe I even had a chance with that thing, man.
What are you gonna do?
I'll get it close and just cut it. I'm not gonna dehook him.
No?
That's in a kayak, man. These hooks will rust out. These are cheap hooks on these jigs.
Yeah.
Dude, that is the coolest thing ever.
That makes the day.
Wow.
That's badass, man. I'm gonna get away from you and drop down.
Oh, no problem. I got him back to the boat. You want to do a couple more pitches, or?
Yeah. You want me to?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
No.
So.
Looks like that's some good ones.
Well, now that I can see this thing's now that I can see this dorsal fin, that one we saw earlier was definitely 100% a brown shark. Yeah.
Bigger than that one though.
I don't know.
Well,
This one's probably 5. If I had to say it's anything, it's 5 foot.
it's tired.
Yeah, oh yeah. I want to touch him, but I can't.
You got him up again?
Yep. Oh. Had him up.
Man, you come out here and target him.
Yeah. And now, like, look at the gear I'm using, dude. A Penn Clash 2 5000 series, I think. 4000 high speed, and a Fenwick HMG Inshore. And this is only the medium, man. Like, this isn't like this was not supposed to happen.
Oh, you got him up again.
Yeah. I want to grab his tail, but
I'm trying to get over there.
yeah, I'm done messing with them. I think I'll just cut him off, or
I can get more pictures if you want.
if you don't mind. I don't think I'll ever get a shot like this again.
Just trying to get.
Dude, how cool. Oh. Yeah, I'll break him off. This, he's a big fish, man. This is definitely the biggest kayak fish ever. Oh, Gary, money shot right here. All right, I want to cut him off.
I gotta take as many as I can. I'm gonna come up alongside you.
Yeah.
He's probably gonna be spooked again.
Yeah, that's all right. I got him vertical, so he's breathing good.
Wish this could turn on a dime, but it can't.
Yeah, I think it's the same size fin too.
Maybe it's the same fish.
I saw him on my side scan like an hour ago.
I got a whole bunch of them.
Thanks, dude. All right, should I swim him or? You know what I'll do? I'll cut the hook. Actually, I might. If I could remove the hook for no.
You might be able to.
I don't want him to like freak out, you know?
He's gonna freak out.
Yeah. I'd rather just swim him. Yeah, just be safe. I'm just gonna swim him away.
You got the hook out?
No, it's still in him, but I cut that much line on it.
Oh man. Alright, you'll be getting a photo dump later.
Oh, I can't wait. Let's get this guy revived. It was so cool.
There he goes.
Woo!
Fucking A, man.
Oh, dude. Oh, I'll mute it, dude. The F, I'll mute that, man. Oh, I'm so glad we came down here today. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, that was a fish that shouldn't have been able to be caught. So at least went out with the tackle that I was using. And it was actually a really exciting catch for me. First time ever catching one of those brown shacks. Never actually targeted them. Maybe there's more there than I know, or maybe it's easier to catch them during the daytime, nighttime. I have no clue. But accidental catch, but super, super exciting. If you guys enjoyed it, just like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.